Laptop on but no display. So first of all, it is already confirmed that laptop is working properly because it turns on but no display. So there's a problem with display. But sometimes it happens because of being overcharged. So I'm going to fix this kind of problem. It actually helped me. So try it. It may help you too. So how to fix this kind of problem when laptop is overcharged? It's very easy, guys. You need to remove all cables attached to your laptop, just like charger, mouse, headphones, all cables attached to your laptop. So remove all cables attached to your laptop, remove USB attached to your laptop. Now you need to remove battery from your laptop. So it is about the laptop you are using. So let me show you my laptop. How can I remove battery from my laptop? It's very easy, guys. There's no rocket science. I just need to. Okay, so here I can remove my battery now. So that's how you have to remove battery from your laptop. Okay, now, okay guys, here you go. Okay, so you removed all cables from your laptop, you removed battery. Now you need to press power key of your laptop. Press it and hold it for 1 minute. Hold it for 1 minute and then remove. Okay, now connect only charger. Okay, only charger, no battery, nothing at all. Okay, connect only charger and turn on it. So it turns on and let's see. Hurrah! So display, we got a display. So laptop's on and it also shows display. So that's how you can fix your problem if this is because of being overcharged. But if this solution is not working, it means you are having a serious problem, just like graphics chip. It happens because of graphics chips, and it also because of sometime ribbon. When you slide it again and again, it happens problem because of ribbon, and it also happens because of graphics chip inside the board. So if this solution is not working for you, it means you are having a serious problem related to your hardware. So don't do it on your own. Take it to your computer hardware shop, they will fix it for you. So try this solution first and tell me it helped you or not. Thank you. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.